What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the email address on your Instagram account. If you've got a new email address or just need to update the one linked to your Instagram account, here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on the Account Center, which manages settings for both Instagram and Facebook. Inside the Account Center, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Then, select Contact Info to view the email address and phone numbers linked to your account. To update your email, tap on Add New Contact and select Email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. You will also see a message stating that this email will be used across all accounts in your Account Center. Scroll down and select the Instagram account where you want to apply this new email. If you have multiple accounts linked, ensure you're updating the correct one. Once selected, you will see a message confirming that adding this new email will replace your current one. Double-check your entry and then tap Next to complete the process. Instagram may send a verification email to your new address. If so, follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.